Head to the polls tomorrow for the primaries. One of the most watched races is the race for governor. Our Fox 5 Opinion Savvy poll in the Republican primary found Lieutenant Governor Casey Cagle with a commanding lead at 31%. Secretary of State Brian Kemp in second place with 20%. Former State Senator Hunter Hill in third place with 14% of the vote as it stands now. And businessman and former Navy SEAL Clay Tippins 2 points behind Hill in fourth place with 12% of the votes. Almost guaranteed we're going to have a runoff in the Republican field because nobody has more than 50% of the vote. With a lead in the polls, Casey Cagle will most likely be in that runoff. He spent the day before the primary flying around the state and touring several different areas. On the Democratic side in the race for governor, there are only two candidates. So tomorrow's winner becomes the automatic nominee. Stacey Abrams has a very large lead with 58% of the vote right now, those surveyed planning to vote for her. Meantime, Stacey Evans comes in with 19%. But almost a quarter of Democratic voters still haven't picked a candidate when we polled them. We'll have live coverage of the primary results tomorrow. We'll take you live to campaign watch parties on Fox 5 News at 5 and 6. Then join us at 8 o'clock on the Fox 5 Atlanta Facebook page for live results and analysis. And of course, watch Fox 5 News at 10 and News Edge at 11 for the very latest numbers. We'll have updated information all night long on our website, fox5atlanta.com. Sine?